Hello. Friends, we are in a different type of setting because I wanted to film some more vloggy type videos, you know, so you guys can get to know me a little better. Okay, and the reason I'm looking around is I had a beverage somewhere and I had lost it. The real reason I am filming this video, I'm in my bathroom closing my toilet. The real reason behind why I'm filming this video is I was going to show you guys my little secret weapon to making my skin look flawless without wearing any makeup. Now, as I'm sure plenty of you guys know, I'm a lazy individual. Maybe you don't know that. You're learning that now. Hi, hello, Morgan, I'm lazy. And I don't enjoy putting on makeup all the time. I know, crazy, I'm like a beauty channel, but I don't always love makeup. Something that I have to do to ensure I'm okay not wearing makeup. Granted, I'm not saying that like you have to look beautiful all the time, you know, like if you don't want to wear makeup, you don't have to, like your skin doesn't have to be perfect. Blah, blah, blah. But I personally enjoy having my skin look pretty good because when I don't want to wear makeup, I don't want to, and I don't want to feel like I have to. And when I was younger, I did feel like I had to. And I'm holding an empty package of adult wipes for your butt. Yeah, so I wanted to show you guys kind of like my little secret weapon, my little secrets to how I achieve decent looking skin, despite the fact that I have a massive zit on it currently. But how I achieve decent looking skin so I don't have to wear makeup all the time. I have chocolate on my shirt. Makeup from the James Charles palette. And this is a sorority shirt that I got at Goodwill. And it was funny because it had, I'll show you, it had bowling on the back. And like, that's funny. So let me show you the product that I'm talking about because I've been wasting your time plenty enough. My favorite thing to use whenever I am trying to get snatched skin, like sister snatch. This guy right here, the Cup of Coffee face and body mask. I never use it on my body because it's too precious to waste it and it's expensive. So I don't do that. But I always put it on my face. And this, guys, oh my God. I should have got my other like tripod thing. I'm a mess. That's not a new thing for anybody. Where do I put you? How do I do this? Hang on. Pause. Yes, oh my God, I feel like such a vlogger. Gotta get your mop out of the way before you put on a face mask. Okay, so what I do is I will take a cup of coffee. Guys, oh my God. If you've never smelled this, I wish it was smell-o-vision because I would totally let you smell it. Like, and it literally like looks like coffee. I'm about to dump it out. Here's the fun part. I don't even like coffee. I think it tastes gross, so. So I'm a wild animal and I put it on with my fingers. So I just kind of get a good glurp of it, just like that. And then I just spread it all over my face. Like this. Oh my God, it is so good. And like, it literally has real life coffee in it, like coffee grounds. So it's going to exfoliate your skin. It's gonna wake your skin up, like give it some caffeine. I always put it in my eyebrows because for some reason, like, I break out my eyebrows. Why? I don't know. I mean, my eyebrows have always hated me and like, that's just I guess that's just their way of showing it, you know? Like, we're gonna always have breakouts in us and like, I get made fun of for it. Okay, so then, whoa, love the lighting. God, I look good. But yeah, you leave it on to marinate for like 20 minutes. And then whenever you take it off, your skin is literally beautiful. Would you guys want to see a Goodwill haul? I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, Goodwill, but God, it is my entire kettle of tea. I love Goodwill. I love thrift stores. I don't like paying full price for anything. We're gonna jump into some of the other things I do to keep my skin fresh and flawless. So now that I have got the main exfoliation part done, I'm going to spray a smidgeroon of this right here. This is not a brand new product. You guys have seen this on my channel 900 times. It is the Lush Tea Tree Water. I'm using a lot of Lush products in this video, so if they feel like reaching out, you know, I'd be like willing. Okay, so we're gonna let that soak in for un momento. And while that is working its magic, I'm going to grab some of the other products that I'm going to be using tonight. What we're going to be using tonight is the Olay Henriksen Truth Serum. It features collagen boosted True C complex French words, I think. I don't know. I'm fluent in one language and I barely can speak it. So I'm just going to do like a squish and a third onto my hand here. Do one of these numbers and just rub it all in. Rub it down your neck. This stuff dries fast. You kind of gotta work quickly. And then once it starts to get sticky, I just kind of press it in. The under eye cream that we're gonna be using is the Shiseido Beneficence Wrinkle Resistant 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream. All that fit on this tiny little tube. I've really been liking this cream because it is so thick. This has like 4 C's in it. It's so thick. I just take the tiniest smidge, do one of those, and then I tap it underneath of my under eye like that. And then I drag it around like super lightly. Like I know you're supposed to use your ring finger, but my ring finger is kind of useless. So I'm just really light and gentle with my middle fingers because, you know, like they're middle fingers. Like they're there to do business. Like you don't just throw birds left and right if they're not there to do business. So the last piece of skincare that we're going to do is use the Olay Henriksen Transform Plus Good Night Glow Retin Alt sleeping cream. And I just kind of boop it around. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. And then I just kind of swoop it all around. Swooping and booping, people. God, I'm feeling beautiful. So that's as far as the skincare goes. Now, if let's say I were wanting to go out somewhere and like, you know, I just wasn't feeling the makeup. So I would do my skincare, and then something that I do as kind of like a little secret weapon, whenever I want my skin to look super flawless and I just don't want to wear any makeup, I will put on something like this. So this is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, I think. Yeah, Blur Stick. And I will literally take it. I'm not going to use it right now because I don't need it, but like I will put it in my T-zone area, or basically anywhere that I have really big pores, which is kind of my entire face, but I just focus it in the T-zone. And then if I'm feeling really frisky, sometimes I will throw in just the tiniest smidgeroon of this De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum by Drunk Elephant, just to kind of give my face a tiny bit of color, because for some reason I just have this weird like mental block thinking that like if I don't have the tiniest smidge of color to my skin, I'm ugly. So thanks for tuning into this tiny video, guys. I just want to throw a really quick one up there, but you know, I was gonna do this stuff already and I just thought, you know what? It is only fair that I share these like super dark secrets of mine with my YouTube family, because like I said, it's only fair. All right, this video's over. Please subscribe if you kind of enjoyed it or laughed once. That'd be fun. Hit the thumbs up button because I at least tried. Okay, bye.